Hi students of Porters Lake Elementary School. Today we are going to look at two useful reading strategies, skimming and scanning. Both reading strategies can be useful when completing research projects or when you need to find answers from a large piece of text. This screencast will help you learn how to use skimming and scanning reading techniques. You will find out how you can use these techniques when completing research. Skimming and scanning are important because sometimes you don't have enough time to read an entire piece of text, or because many parts of a text is not relevant or useful to your purpose. Skimming is fast reading to get a general idea of the text. It will give you an overview or main points of the text. You may wonder what skimming looks like. When skimming text, you let your eyes run along the page or pages. You choose what to read. It is fast reading to get a general idea of the text. And it might be what you already do when you're on the internet. When skimming, you are looking for or reading keywords, bold words, headings or titles, and the first and last sentence of a paragraph or the first and last paragraph on a page. That really depends on the length of your text. Let's try. Let's say I am doing a research project on alligators. One thing I may want to put in my report is how alligators are different than crocodiles. By skimming, reading titles, bold words, first and last sentences of the paragraphs, I may find my information quickly. So I see a title all about alligators. By quickly skimming, I don't see any bold words or titles. So I'm going to begin reading the first and last sentence of the paragraph. Alligators come from a family of reptiles called crocodilians. Their skin is made of thick scales. There are two main types of alligator. American alligators only have them on their backs. I'm not finding information about how alligators and crocodiles are different yet. I'm going to try the next paragraph. Many people confuse alligators with crocodiles. Crocodiles can live in both fresh and salt water. This paragraph may have the information I need, so now I'm going to read it carefully for details. Scanning is a little different than skimming. When you are scanning, you are rapidly moving eyes over text to locate a specific detail, and you already know what you want to look for. When you need to scan, you are searching for or reading keywords. You're doing more searching and less reading. And you're looking for specific words, numbers, names, and so on. When you need to scan, you are searching for or reading keywords, numbers, or names, and this is specific to what you are searching for, and headings or titles. Let's try. Sticking with my research project on alligators, I may want to include information on the life expectancy of alligators. I know that I need to search for a number, and a keyword I could scan for is for the word live. So I let my eyes scan. I don't read every specific word or detail, but I move my eyes quickly to find the word live or a number. Enemies. Alligators live, and here are two numbers. So I'm going to read carefully now to see if this is the information I need. How long do alligators live? Answer: alligators live about 50 years in nature. In captivity, they can reach more than 70 years of age. Skimming and scanning does take time and practice to learn how to do. This reading technique is not always appropriate, especially when you need to read for comprehension or details. But it can be very useful if you need to find specific information quickly. Next time you need to find specific information quickly, skimming and scanning may help you. Until next time.